What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something I've waited a very long time to do. I am going to color my whole head of hair, every bit of it, and I'm going to be using the Loreal Hicolor Hilights in the shade Magenta. I used this brand and line a long time ago. For about a year I maintained the red color they have. It works very well on virgin, unprocessed hair. The way it does that is you mix it with developer and it really lightens the hair very well. And yeah, I hope I got enough. I got 4 boxes of it. The game plan is to color my ends first, of course, and I'm going to be using a 30 volume developer on those. I'm nervous. I'm nervous about how long it's going to take me to apply because it's been a long time since I did my whole head of hair. But we're going for it. I'm going to mix it up and get started. Alright, here's the result, and I am really happy with how it came out. I kind of expected it to be brighter, but at this point I'm just happy that it came out pretty even, considering I had to mix up a batch of dye on the fly and that I was eyeballing the measurements. It definitely could have been worse. I mean, this side is like a little bit more vibrant, but that's fine. I did also have enough dye to at least go around the perimeter of my head and like where I part it, so I won't have roots showing too much too often. So yeah, I'll show you the back real quick. I also don't have any hot roots or anything. I feel like I rinsed it out probably at the perfect time. By the end of it, the lengths on the back had been sitting on my head for about an hour, which made me really nervous. But my hair feels pretty good, all things considered. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I wish it was a little more pink, but it's good. It's fine. That's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.